Welcome to my YouTube channels. Today I'm going to discuss one projectile problem. So this is very beautiful problem and very important concept required for this question. Then only you can solve. So first I'll explain the question. Then we'll go the simple steps solutions. So listen, what is the given the questions here? A projectile is aimed at a mark on the horizontal plane. So from this point P, they are aimed to mark this target or mark to the point of projection, But what happens first case, it falls before 12 meters. That means your target is R, range is R, but first case, when angle of projection is 20 degree, it falls below 12 meter. So range is R, but it falls 12 meter short. Next case, what is? If angle of projection is 45 degree, this overshoot by 24 meters. This is 24 meters overshoot. That means from the range, they are going 24 meters away. So they are not hitting the target. So case 1, what is? If 20 degree angle of projections falls 12 meters short. If angle of projection is 45 degree, it is overshoot by 24 meter. Then what they are asking, at what will be the angle of projection? What will be the angle of projections we'll use so hit the target? So that means we have to find out the one alpha. Angle of projections alpha I assumed. Let alpha be the angle of projections to hit the mark, this one. Let u will be the velocity of projections will be same, already given here. And take the velocity of projection is constant in all the cases. So velocity of projections in this case, velocity projection this case, and velocity projections of this case will be same. That means this velocity projections u here 20 degree, this is 45 degree u, then this also velocity projections. How much angle of projections will get, that is the velocity projections. So they are asking alpha. So what we know, range formula we know here, u square sine 2 alpha by g. Then what is the case 1 coming here? Case 1. If angle of projection is 20 degree, then range will becomes, R will become R1. You give R1, it becomes R minus 12. So range 1, case 1, range 1 is coming R minus 12. R minus 12, case 1. If case 2 will be there, alpha will be 45 degree, alpha with the 45 degree, then range becomes R2 becomes R plus 24. R becomes 24. R becomes 24. These two cases. So first case 1, we'll take now what will be the range? R1 equal to u square sine 2 alpha by g. This is the range formula. Now what we can write this for case 1? R1. R1 becomes R minus 12. R minus 12 equal to same u square sine 2 alpha is 20 degree. Alpha is 20 degree by g. So if we'll solve 20 degree into 2, 40 degree. Sine 40 degree value is 0.643. So we'll become here u square 0.643 g. This will give equations number 2. This will give the equations number. This becomes equations number 2. Case 2. What is case 2 here? R2 equal to u square sine 2 alpha by g. That implies R2 means R plus 24. R plus 24 equal to u square sine 2 and 45 degree. because the given angular position is 45 degree G. So sine 90 degree 1. So it will come u square by G. This is 90 degrees 1. Give the equations number 3. So both case 1, case 2. This is the case 1, this is the case 2 we wrote. Now we have to find out the R and U. So what we'll do, divide 3 by 2. Divide equations 3 by 2. So what will become? So what is there? R plus 24. Then they divide R minus 12. Equations 2. Equations 2 equal to. Then equations, what is this one? U square by G. Equation 3 divide by equations 2. So U square 0.643 by G. So we wrote just R plus 24 divided by R minus 12. 3 by 2. 3 equation this one, 2 equation this one. Now if we'll write numerator, okay, writing 1 times U square by G, then this will go top, G by U square 0.643. You can write like this. So see this G get cancelled, U square get cancelled. So 1 by 0.643. So this will become 1.5, I think. So we'll see. So that implies R plus 24 you write like this. Because you are at R plus 24, 643. So R plus 24, R minus 12 equal to 1 by 0.643. So it is coming 1.5. It's coming 1.56. It is coming 1.56. Now we'll go the cross multiplication. So this little top, R plus 24, R minus 12. So this implies, we'll go the cross multiplication. 1 into R plus 24 is equal to 1.56 R minus 12. So we have to solve R value. So we got the cross multiplication. This into this, this into this. How this come 1.56? 1 by 0.643. It is coming the 1.56. So already 1 will be there for understanding. So 1 into this. Now if we'll solve this, R plus 24 is equal to 1.56 R minus 1.56 into 12. It is coming, but it is coming 14 point something, 18.72. So it is coming 18.72. So 1.56 into R, 1.56 into 12 is coming this. Now this constant value bring here and R will go there. So what we'll write here? Constant 24 plus 18.72. So how much coming? 24 plus 42.72. 42.72. This will become here plus R will go here. So 1.56. 1.56 R minus R. So it will take R common, means 1.56 minus 1. So it will come 0.56. It will become 0.56. So we can write here 0.56 R. 0.56 R. Now what we will do? R value will get from here. If we will divide here, that implies R is equal to, this will come here. R is equal to 42.72 divided by 0.56. R is equal to 76.285. It is coming 46.285 meter. So R how much coming? 76.285 meter. Now what you have to do? Substitute the R in equation either 2 or 3. So we'll get here. So substitute R value, you see here. Substitute R value in equations 2. Equation 2 or equation 3, anywhere you can substitute. So this is the equations 2 here. Equation 2 or this is the equation 3. Anywhere we can substitute equations 2 or 3. So what we'll get here? So R minus 12 equal to U square. What is that? U square 0.643 by G. So R value now will substitute here. So what is R value? 46.285. R value will be 76 is coming. R value is coming 76. 42 divided by this will take na 1 minute. 42.72 divided by 0.56. So R value is coming 76.285, correct. 76.285. Now 76 R value how much? 76.285 minus 12 equal to, this is 9.81. So U square 0.643 divided by 9.81. This value is coming 0.0655. 0.0655 U square. It's coming 55. If divide 0.643 by 9.81, it will come 0.0655. Now 76.286 minus 12. This value is coming 64.286. 64.286 divided by 0.0655. This will become U square. This will become U square. Now this value how much will come? So U square is equal to, this value is coming 981.46. 981.46. Now U is equal to, you will take the square root. So this value is coming 31.33. This value is coming 31. How much we calculated? 31.33 meter per second. This U we got, and here we got the R value. We got the R value here. So R and U we got now. Now what we'll do? Substitute U and R in equation 1. In equations 1. So we'll get the angle of projection. So what is the R? R means how much? 76.285 equal to U square means 31.33 whole square sine 2 alpha divided by 9.81. So you will get here sine 2 alpha equal to, if you solve this into this cross multiplication and divide by this value 31.33. So it will come sine 2 alpha equal to, direct this value will come, sine 2 alpha will come 0.763. So then 2 alpha is equal to sine inverse 0.763. So it will come, angle will come 49.73, 2 alpha. So alpha is equal to 24.87 degree. So what is this one? Angle of projection. So what that question they are asking now? What find the angle of projections to hit the mark. So if you take the angle of projections 24.87, this 24.87, so they hit the target. This is the question. So first case the given, if 20 degree, they're hitting, it falls before 12 meters. If going overshoot after 24 meters. But what angle of projections will use? So they will hit the target. So angle of projections will hit 24.87 degrees. So they will hit the target. So this way we can solve the questions. So okay students, watch this video and subscribe the channels, because your subscribes only will be our motivation. We'll get the motivations once you'll subscribe the channel, you will share this video. So that way we can give the new concept and simple solutions I can give. Okay. Okay students, thank you.